Okay, I've installed what do you call the foolish thing? A rain gauge. Yeah, installed a rain gauge. So yeah, I only got it for $1. I don't know when I bought it. I bought it a while ago. I just grab stuff when it's cheap. You know, spend $5-10 or something every once in a while. This whole container of, you know, EMT straps or PVC. I guess this is PVC. PVC straps only cost $4, which is next to nothing. So that's how I installed it. Just used a PVC strap, 1.25 inches by the looks of it, and it's going to work fine. We're supposed to get 50 to 70 millimeters of rain, and I'll be honest with you, it's been raining every day for about well, I'd say 12 days. I was able to work out here for a while yesterday, but I had to stop because it rained and then started again and it rained again. So it's been turning quite different here in New Brunswick. We don't usually see this much rain in June. It's usually really dry and our gardens are doing well. But our gardens are still doing pretty good. Don't have to water them, that's one good thing. But yeah, I installed this and I'll take some measurements once in a while. Just come out and take a look at it after each day, dump it out. See just how close they were to their forecast. Cheers.